The growing frustration in some D.C. neighborhoods where people say their trash still has not been picked up 2 weeks after that winter storm. Reporter John Gonzalez is hearing from neighbors. And John, is the city saying anything about what's behind this delay?
Well, they just keep referring to that snowcrete that created quite a challenge during this snowstorm, Adriana. And for many D.C. residents, even though last month's storm is long over, the mess is not. And even this morning, we are still seeing plenty of this icy alleys and overflowing trash bins. Residents say 2 scheduled trash pickups have been missed, and frustration is growing, leaving overflowing bins and bags sitting in icy alleys. DPW crews have cleared some snow, but residents say a hardened layer of ice, what of course the city has called snowcrete, is still covering many of these areas, making them unsafe and difficult for trucks to access. D.C.'s Department of Public Works confirms they've shifted to manual trash pickup instead of trucks driving through these alleys because conditions remain challenging. Some residents say they have received notices from DPW saying their alley's trash has been collected, but it hasn't been.
A lot of the trash has not been picked up. It's building up, and it started to become a mess. People leave their trash in the back. That's certainly where my building leaves their trash, and it's not gotten picked up. Some of the trash cans have fallen over. Obviously, that brings rats. Frustrating for sure. And it's not the trash guy's fault. It's the fault of them not being able to access these alleys and behind the homes.
Now, DPW says crews were using Bobcat tractors to clear these alleys, but they also acknowledge this is a new process and taking longer than expected. As you can see, some of these areas still quite a mess. Back to you inside.
All right, John, so those who are upset and annoyed by the trash piling up around their neighborhood, who can they reach out to?
Well, the city keeps referring to its 311 system, saying that that's the number residents should be calling to report any issues. We've been told that some of these pickups could happen this morning. We're going to keep an eye on things. But going back to that 311 system, again, many of these residents complaining that the city reported that many of these trash cans had been taken care of. But as you can see, some of them haven't been.
All right, John, thank you.